Ever wondered how AI agents think, learn, and adapt? Welcome to the world of AI agent frameworks. Imagine an AI agent starting simple, like a seed. Now, watch it grow, evolve, and transform into a sophisticated network. This is the journey of AI agents, and it's more exciting than you think. Let's dive into the anatomy of these agents. 3 core components: sensors, actuators, and the reasoning engine. These are the building blocks of intelligent systems. Picture an agent sensing its environment with high-tech sensors, processing data with a powerful reasoning engine, and taking action with precise actuators. This trio forms the heart of every AI agent. But it doesn't stop there. AI agents interact with diverse environments. From virtual worlds to real-world applications like chatbots and virtual assistants, their adaptability is astounding. Now let's talk learning. Using evolutionary algorithms, these agents continuously improve. Tools like LangChain enhance their capabilities, making them even smarter. And it gets better with multi-agent collaboration. Imagine multiple agents working together, solving complex problems, and enhancing decision-making. It's the future of intelligent systems. Here's a sneak peek from the author. In Fundamental Principles of AI Agent Frameworks, I explore how AI agents are reshaping industries. This book is your ultimate guide to understanding these intelligent systems. So are you ready to unlock the secrets of AI agents? Learn how they think, learn, and adapt to transform our world. Order your copy of Fundamental Principles of AI Agent Frameworks today. Unlock the future of intelligent systems. Click on the link below and get started on your journey into the world of AI agents. Don't miss out.